everyone. In this video, we are going to show the intention-based assistance for grasping three objects, which you can see on the screen. There is a bowl, there is a plate, and there is a cup. And we are going to use intention recognition to pick these objects up. Basically, identify the object and the pose or the grasping configuration that the human is trying to grasp the object from. Pick those objects up and place them on this table right here. So we'll be using the Phantom Omni device right here for teleoperating, which won't be visible on the screen for most of the time because we'll be showing the test environment and we'll be showing the meter bars that show the object intention and the grasping configuration intention recognized by the system. You can see on the screen, this is the test environment. These are the recognized intention for the object, and this is the recognized intention for the grasp configurations. Might be difficult to read, but the first one is the bowl, second one is the plate, the third one is the cup. Bowl, plate and cup. And the meter bars will show which object we are interested in. Similarly here, there will be 2, 3 or 4 meter bars depending on the number of grasp configurations, which depends on the number of object. So the object that is the highest building here will have its grasp configuration shown here. That will be the object of interest, and the highest building among these will be the grasp configuration of interest based on the intention recognized by the algorithm, and the human intention will be shown here. So let's start with let's go to cup 1. So this should be the highest, the cup should be the highest, and 1 should be the highest. So this is a cup 1. So we are good. Now let's go to bowl 2. So this is the bowl. And let's go to the second grasp configuration, which is this one. So it should show bowl as the highest builder and the second one. The colors mean the red color means the recognized intention, similarly for the grasp configuration for both, and the blue ones means the undesired ones. So bowl 2, bowl 2. Seeing the cup 3 because it has the same configuration. Now we are going to the bowl. So it's bowl 2. So bowl 2, bowl 2. Okay, now let's go to cup 4. Cup number 4. Saying bowl 3 because first we go to bowl 3 and then we go to the cup 4. Cup 4. So that's good. So now let's go to plate 2. So it should be plate and 2. Same bowl 2 because we are passing through the bowl and then going to the plate. So bowl is on the way. So the nearer object gets more weight also. eventually it should show plate 2. There. It's plate 2. That's it. Now let's pick up bowl from 3. So let's go bowl 3, pick it up and place it. So it says plate 1 because first we are orienting, which has the same orientation with the bowl 1 and 3. But then as you start moving, it says bowl 1, we'll go to eventually bowl 3. Now it says bowl 3. Now let's go and grasp that object. And place it over here. Again, this will be based on scaled teleoperation based assistance, but the grasp configurations for placing them are pre-recorded, so there's no intention recognition there. So these are not working at the moment, as long as we are placing from the pickup point to the placement. Then back again, they will start working again. Okay, so now let's reflect back, and as you can see, there is no bowl. The bowl has been removed, and now there is plate and there is cup. So there's 2 objects, because there are just 2 objects here, the plate and the cup. The bowl is out. Now let's go and pick up the cup from the third configuration, which is right here. So it should show cup and it should show 3, which it is showing right now, but let's see if it still maintains that. It still says cup 3. Cup 3 still. Now let's go and pick it up. So cup 3. Again, there is intention. There is no intention recognition now up to the point we place it. So it will be placed at a predetermined location. Good. Let's remove the water out of the cup. After we have oriented it properly, we'll go for the next object, which is the last object, which is the plate. So you can see there is only one object here, plate, and there is nothing here else because there is only one plate. So it should show 100% intention for the plate and whichever intention we want. So let's pick up plate from the top. So plate and first. So the only one bar building here, and the first one should be here. So it's saying 2 right now, but it should say 1. There it says 1. You can see because of resistance it's traveling pretty quickly. There we go. Plate 1. So that's good. So let's pick that up. So now this is empty as well as this is empty because there is no object here. All the objects are being placed. So we go back to home position and that's it. Alright, so that's it. So let's get the arm back to the ready position. That's it. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll come back with more results later. Thanks.